It is horticultural science fiction, isn't it? I mean, it's the most extraordinary adaptation. And the size of some of these things, I mean, presumably that's not just catching insects.
No, this is truly carnivorous. This particular plant has been recorded to capture, digest rats, mice, frogs. So it's truly carnivorous, yes.
And it has the most peculiar texture to it. It's very cool.
It's a veined texture,
yes.
Yes.
It is. It's the only way of describing it is a little bit like dead flesh. I mean, it does feel really,
maybe an apt description.
Really quite gruesome. I mean, it is beautiful. The checkerboard inside, is that designed to attract or confuse its prey?
Exactly. There've been a lot of studies done on this, because if you view that with infrared, it's a checkerboard design which is very attractive to insects, and the flying insects tend to be attracted into it. And these ribs are actually like a runway as well. If an insect lands on that, it tends to guide them in towards the picture, where there's a nectar which they like to feed from, but sooner or later they're going to slip in, and that's that.
And how long does a pitcher last? I mean, it seems to me to be a very delicate structure.
Surprisingly, on many of the species, they can last for years. Each leaf will produce one, and some of the plants like this, so this is a single plant, has maybe 100 pitchers on it. So they can last for months or even years.
And the sort of conditions that you have to create, I mean, you're standing there with a mister and very diligently going around misting. Presumably, the Chelsea Flower Show Pavilion isn't the perfect environment for them.
No. I mean, some species are quite hardy, they wouldn't mind, but a lot of the ones we're displaying here are very rare, and the reason they're rare is because they're very finicky about the growing conditions. So the low humidities here are not ideal for them now.